Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing well. 4th of August and legitimately over 100 times wanted to record this video, so please like, share, subscribe, follow my Twitter because I might turn insane if that is for nothing. Trying to record this video for 100 times. Okay, no financial advice, education and entertainment purposes only. Let's get to the chart, and throughout this video I'm going to be giving shoutouts to a few of my friends, and if you don't want any financial advice, follow at crypto_AMD because that person is staring the charts all day, all time, just to tell you that he doesn't give a financial advice. I don't know what is going there on, but he's definitely entertaining and he has something up his sleeve, so definitely go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Hey, so weekly time frame. What I'm looking for as a trader, this is my trading plan. What do I want to see? I either want to get aboard the trend and where can I get in, or I'm looking for the reversal. So generally saying, this was a pattern that I didn't notice myself. It was brought to my attention by Edward Mora _BTC. This is his Twitter handle, and Edward has an unfair advantage over me. He has a stash of NZT, so he's taking all the BTC on BitMEX from anybody that he is counter trading. Definitely follow him on Twitter, a lot of fresh ideas. What Eddie has brought my attention to is this, that almost every weekly relief rally has ended abruptly after the twisted top or bearish engulfing candle manifested itself. So here, here and here. Is it enough to trade with the signal? No, but it's telling you that we might be hitting the top here, and every single time that it has printed before, we've printed new lows on the closing basis. So that would be at least 5.8k from this type of perspective. One more thing, here's a 50-week moving average which is acting as a resistance right now. Did I short it? No. Why? Because I'm a mongoloid who doesn't check dynamic support and resistances for 2 weeks until he remembers that he has to do a YouTube video. Here, let's go into daily time frame. And for some people are saying that I have a British accent. I don't know what's British about my accent. My freaking OBS isn't Russian. My trading view isn't Russian. Even it understood that I'm Russian from my accent. And the only British thing about me is probably that my English teacher had a London poster somewhere in her Skid Row apartment in the end of some Russian-speaking village. So I don't know, was everybody considering me to have some exposure to London or anything like that? But everybody's extremely wrong. So please don't dox me. Anyway, so let's get here. What is this 5.8k? What is this region? Assume you're a whale, you have lots of money, you need to buy. What is happening when you buy? Well, this happens when you buy. There's too much spread, the order book is not giving you enough money to move in. So what do you need? You need people to willingly sell into you. How you can manufacture that situation? Well, you need a lower low. Lower low is printed. Breakout traders start to short. You're buying up the orders, then you pump the order book. Easy, trap people in here. Amazing candle here at 8.2k. Sell into those. Rebuys a dip or whatever. But it seems from volumetric analysis that those people that bought in here kinda redistributed it through this downtrend for so far. We didn't see as many black days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 black days in a row. I haven't seen 6 black days in a row once on BTC so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, actual light. We had 6 here, and then we had a good green candle. Okay, so guys, go long. There is your long signal here. Now, there is a Elliott wave count which some people are suggesting. Like, I think that we saw the top here, honestly. I think that we saw the top. But there are some other people that suggesting that we didn't. And one of them is at Cryptonomic. It has a good Elliott wave count, a good idea of the market to suggest that that is a fact. So I've said in my previous videos that there is 0.786 Fibo here, which is suggesting that these legs are connected in some matter from a Elliott wave perspective. So this is an ABC type of formation. Most likely this is an ABC like this going up. Now we need to discern if this ABC has momentum to go as 5 legs, because C is always 5-legged, to suggest that this count is valid. But you can see that 0.618 is yielding us at least 9.6k, and we might go even to 12k to, well, I don't know, just not 12k, lower, 11.6k to go somewhere around there. I don't know. I don't know about that count, but the idea that Cryptonomic is suggesting is that to see real BTC distribution, you need to see alt season, and I agree with that. But it seems like most of altcoins are right now hanging on the weekly support, prepared to make weekly new lower lows, and they're just waiting for BTC to start rolling over. So I'm not as confident in us going higher per that Elliott wave count, but a pretty good idea, and when your idea is not right, your stop loss should be right. So this is what we're trying to discern in this video. So what do we have in the daily time frame? 200 daily acts as a resistance for the third time. 100 failed to act as a support. The next likely dynamic support is at 6.9k. What is the daily RSI telling me? Daily RSI kinda bounced from 50 here, so we at least need to somewhat to reset. Okay, what's the 4-hour tell me? It's about volume. No volume for 8 hours. Bullish divergence kinda confirmed here. I don't know, I might consider to go for a scalp long here. So I don't know. So here's one thing that I want to bring to your attention. Channeling. So this has been popularized by Kwon from Trade Devils. You've seen that this technique used by him in a little bit different ways that I used before. So I used it in a more traditional perspective, but he's looking at those to fit in 5 waves, and his studies found that most of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that when 5 waves head in, you're basically looking at the uptrend. So and vice versa, so it can be a litmus test for 5 waves fitting in here. So there is no doubt that there is some Elliott wave count here that is suggesting that this happened. The problem is that the next bullish count that many people are suggesting is that what happened was this. It just doesn't seem to work neither from Fibonacci perspective or from Elliott wave perspective. I don't see this as an ABC, and even if it was a 5 wave advance up, what you're telling me is that actually 0.5 fib, we might go there. The reason why I don't like that Elliott wave count is because it just doesn't channel at all, and it doesn't have the best Fibonacci type of. Here is 1, 2. Okay. Here's wave 3. Here's wave 1. So you can already see that it fell out of this channel that would be proposed to say that this uptrend would be going higher. Now the same type of trap that I see is the same type of people saying here right now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're waiting for 4. Not going to name any names, but I saw the same type of behavior here when people thought that this was just wave 1, this was 2, this was 3, this was 4, this was 5. Now let me explain you the problem here. the wave 3 and ABC are very alike. C will always have 5 waves, 3 will always have 5 waves, but when only the third leg has clear 5 waves, it's telling you that the structure is corrective. Also, wave 4 is almost never 0.618. When that happens, it's telling you that it's most likely a B wave or an X wave, but not the force wave. The only type of scenario where you're going to see the force wave to have 0.618 and has a good strike rate is the triangle forming. And just keep that in your mind. It doesn't mean that we might not retest the high here and do a double top. It's just telling you that you should be scanning for short entries if we go to 0.618 here. So, what about 4 hour? Yeah, bullish division's kinda confirmed. Let's go into a lower time frame. Okay, so what are the trades that I have been playing here? On a 4 hour time frame, I bought this. This has been clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to lower time frame, so it has been very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's also 55 EMA, which is my uptrend. This candle here, I didn't play. I didn't know how to play. I played a scalp short here because I expected, because there were so many weeks to play scalp short here, I shorted into 55 EMA here. So from 8.2k, I shorted into 8k essentially. And then I expected, when this candle happened, for us to test this resistance again, trap more people, do something like this. Where is it? Where is it? Like this. Hover above support and then break it and go down. This is what I expected. Did it happen? Was stopped out of my trade almost immediately after that and was flipped short. Didn't play it properly from the trade perspective, made some profit, but that is not my problem to make profit. My problem is to become better in trading. Now, VWAP here is finally flipping bullish. It's telling you that you should be trying to buy here. For this entire downtrend that I played, it's telling you you should short. So even here it told you, bro, short. I was very lucky because every single time when you're looking at this, maybe 1, 2, or this was a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in any case, whatever way you count it, like this, then you had A, B, C go into a 4 here. Wave 4 always comes into region of the previous wave 4. So I had my orders at 7.710 and I got wicked here. So the top was 7.720. I went into this short and I pretty much shorted until the very bottom here. I got out at 7,340, I believe, on the candle, and tried to play long. So played long here, got stopped out on this candle. Might even try to do it again with a stop here. Why? I don't know, because I'm an adventurous bastard, but it doesn't make much sense. There's no clear Elliott wave count here, and what I would do, at least, here was resistance, turned as a support. So what I would like to see, this properly turned to support, go higher, retest, and then yes. So I don't know, doesn't seem like. And if it was wave 4 and we're doing for wave 5 now, we've already reached 0.236, so So yeah, definitely if we were going to flatten here, I'm leaning more on the short side. Definitely leaning more on the short side. To go to it, yeah, and it works out. 6.8k here is a target. So if we're going to hang out more here, I would be setting my stop depending on VWAP, and I will be playing a short here. I'll be playing a short here targeting 6.8k. Try to play along. Today I woke up when I saw this price action convinced that we will go to at least to 0.382 here to this 0.5, this region, but doesn't seem like it will do. It doesn't seem like it will do. Most volume now trapped here, so 8.2k, lots of volume trapped. Now most of volume trapped here at 7.561. Yeah, definitely looks like we're going towards most pain to 6.8k level. So what is my outlook? My outlook is that the more we go to 6.8k, which has a support in terms of volume, which has a target, which has dynamic support resistance, that we are going there. Can we go to 7.1k? Yes, we definitely can. Can we stop there? Yes, we definitely can. BTC can do whatever it has to do. The point of this video is to suggest that when we'll get to 6.8k, it's telling you that we are building a bearish momentum. We'll have a relief rally from this volume, because seemingly we don't get any from any support right now, so no bullish momentum is coming in. We'll get a relief rally before the real heartbreak is going to happen. That would be my outlook for now, and I definitely think that what is going to happen is that many people expect this just to be 1, 2, because so many people are fond of Elliott for some reason here. They'll suppose this was an A, we'll do a B, we'll do a C, and then they will buy it to just continue to go lower. Okay, 17 minutes. So to summarize it, weekly is telling you that we have a possible reversal sign. Daily is telling you that there is no dynamic support till 6.8k. FIBO is telling you that the moment we break 7.261, you have to abandon your bullish bias and look for this top, and every single long that you will take afterwards to be corrective regarding to this swing. The dynamic support, resistance, volume, everything suggests that we should bounce at 6.8k. Definitely I see some front running on the target, and most likely we're going to bounce before that, which is going to provide this three-legged up move before further decimation. That is what I see in store for BTC right now, and yeah, this is a plan that I'm going to trade. I'm going to lean more on the short side than on the long side here. Now, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe, and hopefully I will talk nonsense a little bit less in my next video. See ya.